This is a video about Ball's Corner, otherwise known as B&Q Roundabout in Newton Abbot. It does cause some issues, so I've given it a video all of its own. First of all, we're going to talk about how we should position the car as we go around the roundabout. In this first clip, we're going to look at the road ahead positioning. There are 3 lanes on the approach to the roundabout. For road ahead, we need the centre lane, and we can see that's confirmed by the arrow. Notice how the lanes slightly point to the left as you approach. It's really important we keep that position, it'll help as we go across. You can see we've got the red markings, we need to keep to the left of those to the outside of the roundabout and work our way around as we would normally. In this clip we're looking at the right turn at the roundabout, so we're positioning into the right hand lane. That's confirmed by the arrow on the floor. As we approach the roundabout you'll see the red markings again. This time we need to keep to the right hand side of them, so keep on the inside of the roundabout. And this is a little bit different for a right turn, so as we come around we stay in the right hand lane rather than positioning out like we would normally for a right turn. So we're now going to look at where we need to look as we approach. So I've frozen the frame here so we've got a better idea of what's going on. So as you can see, our view to the right is completely blocked by that van. So we know that there's 3 lanes there, but we don't really have any idea of whether there or not there's any vehicles trying to come out of there. What we can see is the red car that's on the roundabout. So based on their position, it does look like they're leaving the roundabout. They've started to edge away from the centre. There's a possibility that they've come from the road ahead, or they've come from the road to our left, i.e. they're taking a right turn. Either, it doesn't really make much difference to us. We do need to keep an eye on their signalling, but their position is telling us that they're leaving the roundabout. We've also got this car just in front of us, which is coming across the roundabout, so we obviously need to give way to them. And it's really important that we make sure that our path around the roundabout is clear. So looking ahead and as best as we can looking around to our exit. At the moment that's quite difficult with the van there, but the vision should improve as we get closer to the roundabout. So again, I've frozen the frame here. If you look to the right, we've got a better view of those 3 lanes now. We can see there's a red car coming up in the centre lane, which means it's going to be going ahead, second exit, i.e. it's coming in front of us. So there is a good chance that we're going to have to wait for them. If we look across the roundabout, there is a car there, but based on the position it looks like they're going to be turning left, so they're not going to be any help to us. And there doesn't seem to be any vehicles coming around the roundabout that's going to block that red car off. So at some point that red car is going to move and we're going to have to probably be giving way to it. So as we play the clip again here, we can see that I've had to slow down and give way for the red car to come across in front of us. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.